Hello guys. Welcome to my channel AI with Radhe. You are about to learn the world's most popular programming language. From powering Instagram to helping NASA analyze space data, Python is everywhere. Why learn it? It's human-readable, beginner-friendly, and versatile. Python use cases. 1. Web development. 2. Data science. 3. AI and ML. 4. Automation. Look at this comparison. Python cuts out the clutter. It allows you to focus on solving problems, not fighting with syntax. Now, let's get your computer ready. Go to python.org. When installing, there is one crucial step. Check the box that says Add Python to Path. This ensures your computer knows where to find Python. Once installed, we verify it. Open your terminal and type Python ---- version. If you see a number, you are ready to go. This is the interpreter. It translates your code into machine language. You need a place to write your code. These are called IDs. VS Code is lightweight and great for general use. PyCharm is powerful and specifically built for Python. Jupyter is amazing for data science because you can run code in chunks. For this course, we will use VS Code. Let's create a new file and save it with the .py extension. This tells the editor it's a Python file. Python reads your code from top to bottom, one line at a time, almost like following a recipe. Each line is executed in the exact order it appears, unless you change the flow using conditions or loops. Here's a simple Python example to show how variables work. We start by creating a variable called name and set it equal to the text th. Then we create another variable, age, and give it the value 20. These variables are like little containers that hold information for our program. When we use the print function, Python reads the variable and displays whatever is stored inside it. So print name shows the word th, and print age outputs the number 20. Remember, variables store data, and print displays it. Now let's see how Python actually processes this script. On the left, we have our code, and on the right, the console where the results appear. Python reads the first line, stores th in the variable name, and moves on. Then it stores the value 20 in age. When Python reaches print name, it sends the word to the output. Then print age produces the number 20. This left-to-right flow shows how the interpreter goes line by line, executing instructions and generating the final output you see.